Okay, so here's the printer, this is the pneumatic box, and this is the pump, and we have powered both the pump and the printer. So if I turn on the switch, it says the air pressure switch 1, auto start at 3 bar, auto stop at 4 bar. So let's turn on. So it is pumping, and let's come back to the dial gauge. Okay, it stops. All right, let's turn on the dial gauge, and it goes up to 1 bar. All right, if I even keep turning, I don't see any changes. So that's it, 1 bar. Well, I can lock it. It's now locked. So here is this connections, right? This is coming through the pneumatic box. Let's turn on the switch of the printer. So printer is turned on. Printer is on. Okay, and we see some reading here on the pneumatic box. So I was trying to see if I can feel any pressure at this nozzle inlet. Well, the one which will go to the nozzle, but I didn't see any pressure. So let's see. We can control this pressure, looks like, from the knob. So this problem is pretty much solved. We can change this. We can change this 0.011. So that's pretty much it. So I was just thinking, is that good enough? So now here the pressure dropped. I think because we changed it, right? I'm changing it, bringing down to 0. Okay, I'm increasing to 0.023 point. Let's go to 0.05. Now at this point the max is 0.039 megapascal, and here the dial gauge shows less than 1 bar. So I'm just trying to understand the working principle of this tool. Okay, let's try another thing. Let's okay, try to rotate this gauge, and well, it came down to 0. So I'm rotating counterclockwise. Nothing happens. Going clockwise, don't see any changes. Don't see any changes. So anyway, I think it will be good when we talk to you. Probably I will better understand the working principle of this. And I haven't connected the nozzle yet here. So just thinking first to understand how it works, then we'll put the nozzle and try some printing, some trial printing before we put our own materials. Okay, thank you.